Have you ever heard of a metal more valuable than gold? Most people haven't, but there's a hidden champion in the world of precious metals that quietly outshines them all. Meet rhodium. It's a silvery white, ultra-rare member of the platinum group, shiny, strong, and staggeringly expensive. Rhodium's beauty is striking, but its true value lies far beyond its appearance. At times, an ounce of rhodium has cost more than a new car, even outpricing gold by 15 times. Imagine holding something in your hand that's worth more than a luxury vehicle. But what makes rhodium so special isn't just its looks, it's its unique properties. It's one of the most reflective metals, and it doesn't tarnish or corrode easily, making it incredibly useful. Rhodium resists corrosion, withstands extreme heat, and is crucial in industries that touch our daily lives. It's used in places where only the toughest materials survive, like high-temperature furnaces and chemical plants. Most people have never seen pure rhodium. It's too rare and costly for coins or bars. Even collectors rarely get their hands on it, and it's almost never found in everyday objects. Instead, it works behind the scenes, hidden in car exhaust systems or as a thin layer on jewelry. Rhodium's invisibility in daily life makes it even more mysterious. Its scarcity is mind-blowing. All the rhodium ever mined would barely fill a few pickup trucks. That's how little of it exists on Earth, making every gram incredibly precious. This rarity drives its sky-high price. When demand spikes, prices can soar to record-breaking levels, making headlines in the financial world. Rhodium's story is a journey through chemistry, geology, and economics. It's a tale of scientific discovery, industrial innovation, and the unpredictable forces of the market. We'll explore its discovery, its role in cleaning car exhaust, and why it's so hard to find. From the depths of the earth to the heart of your car, rhodium's path is fascinating. We'll also look at its wild price swings and surprising uses, from jewelry to high-tech mirrors. Rhodium's versatility is as impressive as its rarity. Get ready to discover rhodium, the unseen, unsung, and unbelievably expensive king of metals. Its story is one of mystery, science, and hidden value. It's science, and it's all around us. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets of this extraordinary metal. Rhodium's discovery is a tale of scientific curiosity. In 1803, English chemist William Hyde Wollaston was analyzing platinum ore from South America. Dissolving the ore in aqua regia, he found a dark residue most would ignore. Through careful experiments, Wollaston isolated a new substance that formed beautiful rose-colored compounds. He named it rhodium, from the Greek rhodon, meaning rose. This discovery added a new element to the periodic table and proved there's always more to learn. Wollaston's curiosity led to not one, but two new elements from a single rock. Rhodium's rosy glow was a triumph of chemistry. It's a reminder, amazing things can be found in the most unexpected places. Sometimes, the world's most valuable secrets are hidden in plain sight. That's the magic of science. Where does most rhodium go? Not to crowns or vaults, but into your car. Over 80% of mined rhodium ends up in catalytic converters, devices that clean car exhaust. Inside, a ceramic honeycomb is coated with rhodium, platinum, and palladium. Rhodium acts as a catalyst, breaking down harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and oxygen. This process helps fight smog and air pollution. As emissions laws get stricter, demand for rhodium soars. There are few substitutes, so car makers need more of it. Limited supply and rising demand make rhodium one of the world's most valuable materials. It's an invisible hero, making our air cleaner every day. That's the power of rhodium in action. Rhodium's rarity is hard to grasp. It's one of the rarest and most valuable precious metals on Earth. In the Earth's crust, it's about 1,500 times scarcer than gold. This makes it incredibly difficult to find and extract. Each year, only about 30 tons are mined worldwide, compared to over 3,000 tons of gold. This stark difference highlights its extreme scarcity. All the rhodium ever mined would barely fill a few trucks. Imagine that, just a few trucks for all the rhodium in the world. There are no rhodium-only mines. It's found as a byproduct of platinum and nickel mining. This makes its extraction even more complex. This means rhodium supply depends on the mining of other metals. If those metals aren't in demand, rhodium production suffers. If platinum demand drops, so does rhodium production. No matter how high its price climbs, this creates a very volatile market. Tons of ore yield just a few grams of rhodium, making extraction difficult and costly. The process is labor-intensive and expensive. Its extreme scarcity is the foundation of its value. The less there is, the more valuable it becomes. The supply is inflexible and the market is tight. This makes rhodium a highly sought-after commodity. That's why rhodium is the ultimate rare metal. Its scarcity and value make it unique among precious metals. Its rarity isn't just a feature, it's the defining trait. This is what sets rhodium apart from other metals, and it's what makes rhodium so fascinating. Its unique properties and extreme scarcity captivate scientists and investors alike. Rhodium's supply is concentrated in just a few places. Over 80% comes from South Africa's Bushveld igneous complex. This single region controls the global market, making supply fragile and sensitive to disruptions. Strikes, political instability, or power shortages in South Africa can send prices soaring. Russia, Canada, Zimbabwe, and the US produce small amounts, but not enough to matter if South Africa falters. Because rhodium is a byproduct, its supply depends on the platinum market. This makes rhodium's market unpredictable and its price extremely volatile. Rhodium's price is a wild roller coaster, full of breathtaking highs and stomach-churning lows. In the early 2000s, it was just $500 an ounce, already expensive, but nothing compared to what was coming. By 2008, it soared to over $10,000, making headlines as one of the world's priciest metals. Then, after the financial crisis, it crashed back down to $1,000 almost overnight. Rhodium's fate is tightly linked to the auto industry. When car sales drop, so does demand for this rare metal, causing prices to tumble. In the late 2010s, stricter emissions laws and unexpected supply disruptions sent prices skyrocketing again, as automakers scrambled to secure enough rhodium. By 2021, rhodium hit nearly $30,000 an ounce, making it, for a time, worth more than its weight in diamonds and outshining almost every other precious metal. The market is tiny, supply is incredibly tight, and demand is driven almost entirely by just one industry: automotive manufacturing. Any change, show in car sales, new regulations, or even rumors of shortages can send shockwaves through the price, causing wild swings. There's no major futures market for rhodium, so price swings are even wilder. There's little to cushion the blows or smooth out the spikes. Rhodium is the ultimate example of supply and demand gone extreme, where even small shifts can have massive effects. For investors, it's a high-stakes gamble, one that can make or break fortunes in a matter of days. For industry, it's a critical, costly necessity, essential for meeting regulations, but always a risk to the bottom line. That's the wild ride of rhodium, a market where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Blink, and the price could change overnight, leaving everyone scrambling to keep up. Rhodium isn't just for cars, it shines in luxury and technology. Jewelers use rhodium plating to give white gold and silver a brilliant, durable finish. This plating protects against scratches and tarnish, making rings and watches last longer. Even luxury brands like Rolex use rhodium for its reflective beauty. In optics, rhodium's unmatched reflectivity makes it perfect for high-quality mirrors and scientific instruments. It's also used in high-temperature crucibles and specialized electrical contacts. While these uses are small compared to the auto industry, they show rhodium's versatility. From sparkling jewelry to scientific equipment, rhodium is a hidden star. Its unique properties make it invaluable in both luxury and high-tech worlds. Rhodium rare, resilient, and dazzling. With its wild price swings, rhodium might seem like a tempting investment, but it's not for the average investor. There's no easy way to buy or sell it, and the market is tiny. Most rhodium trades happen privately between industrial players. Physical bars exist, but they're hard to store, and even harder to sell. The biggest risk? Extreme volatility. Prices can skyrocket, or crash, overnight. A shift in car technology or mining could wipe out value instantly. For most, rhodium is best admired from afar, as a marvel of science and industry, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Its story is a lesson in rarity, risk, and the unpredictable power of the elements.